Gallery launch gallery. Making moves launch gallery gallery. Backgrid. Positive update from Tiger Woods. The golf star is now putting significant weight on his surgically repaired leg, just 5 months after the limb was nearly lost in a car crash. El Tigre was seen in Los Angeles this week with his girlfriend, Erica Herman, and while he's still crutching around and wearing a protective sleeve, the 45-year-old showed he's clearly able to put most, if not all of, his body weight on the leg. Woods was spotted outside of his Beverly Hills area hotel standing on the leg, and even appearing to walk a bit on it as well. Of course, it's great news for Tiger, cause after his rollover crash in LA on February 23, many wondered if he'd ever be able to use his right leg properly again. Gallery launch gallery. The crash scene launch gallery gallery. Getty. Woods suffered comminuted open fractures during the accident, and needed a rod, screws and pins to repair the damage. Woods has spent most of his time recovering in Florida, though he has now made at least 2 return trips to LA since the accident. It's unclear where Woods stands in his recovery process or if he ever plans to play golf again, but seeing his apparently improved movement this week is obviously a great step in the right direction for the golf legend.